Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright guys, check it out. Remember these brakes? As you can see, the whole backing plate is everything is gone. But check this out guys, this is not the left side where we were doing that forward wheel cylinder. No, this is the right side. Down the rabbit hole we go. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, you're gonna love this. Alright, check, yeah, it's been a week. Our truck's been sitting down and it sucks because it's tax time. But here's the left side. We got the new wheel cylinder on and that thing is starting to show a little signs of rust. So we gotta hurry up and get this together. Alright, the last time we left off, we had a problem. The brake line broke and we didn't know what the heck to do with the brake line. So out of curiosity, I went down to Cox Auto Salvage. Yeah, buddy. And let me show you what we found. I think I lucked out when I was down there. Be right back. All right, here's our old brake line that I just cut out there. But check that out, guys. I found the original line. Intact. Fittings is good. I gotta clean that up a little bit. Clean that up a little bit. But that's good. And we go to the other side. And that's good. So I was like feeling kind of happy, right? Yeah, buddy. But then I said, you know what? Let's go check out the other side brakes. So I pull it off. Here's the tire. So, of course, if you see the backing plate is gone, you know I must have had some issues. So, let's go find out what kind of issues we ran into. I'll be right back. All right, here we go. We got a mess out here, a bunch of parts. All right, here's the drum we took off on the right side. Now, I was going to replace it, but then I looked at it and I said, you know what? That's not that bad at all. All right. So here's the one on the right side. Dang it. I don't know if you guys can get the gist of the groove that's cut out in this drum. Look at that drum, man. That thing. Let's see if I can do something here. There's the ridge right there. That thing is cut out right there. And then there's a deep gouge right there. And then there's another deep gouge, a deeper gouge right there. And you know what? When I bought the truck, we bought the truck for $2,500. So, you know, who's gonna pull off and look at the brakes on this thing? So they must have ran this thing down and just tore this up. Now the problem here is, even guys, you can look it up. 93 Ford F700. These are, and you can verify this yourself. These are the 8-lug drum, 6-inch brakes. Look online. You can't find this thing nowhere at all. On the drum, where we at here? On the drum, it says Dayton. So we contacted Dayton. They said, nope, obsolete. But check this out. The drums for the 5-inch brakes and the drums for the 7-inch brakes, they have. It's on stock everywhere. But for the 6-inch, they do not have. We contacted Bendix. They had a number. Nope. Rebestos. They had a number. Nope. Every single place we looked, we could not find it. So we went down to a used salvage yard, and They didn't have it. They said, contact this place called Greens. That's all they do is trucks. And they located in Fremont, North Carolina. We called them up. They got it. They had one. Finally called us back. It took us a few days. They wanted a picture of the drum, the numbers on the side, everything. They finally got it. $100. Ah, that's a great deal. Cause I was like, what were we gonna do? Can't put that thing back on. But guys, it don't get worse. It gets worse. It don't get no better. It get worse. You know you can't do a simple job without something major happening. So let's go over here to the backing plate. These are the thing. Took the brakes apart. The wheel cylinders are all the way pushed out. The piston on this wheel cylinder, on the parking brake wheel cylinder, just flew right out of it. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. It was a night. The drum came off really easy, but it was a nightmare. So I'm like, Jesus, what the heck am I gonna do now? So, this is the old wheel cylinder from the left side. So I was like, all right, what are we gonna do now? Here's our brake. Brakes are good. So let me show you. Wait a minute. There was something else I wanted to show you. There was something else that went bad, and I wanted to show you guys. I don't know. let me show you what we're gonna do, guys. All right. I remember what else, but not this. All right, guys. So what we did. What the heck? Why this camera? I can't see nothing. Dang it. Hold on, guys. All right. There we go. All right, so guys, got a brand new wheel cylinder for the rear, and the rear forward one for the right side. It comes with the adjusters and the bolts and the gaskets and all that. We got two seals, hub seals. We got a spring kit with 4 different colors, which is cool because it actually comes with a diagram for the left brake. It shows you exactly how to hook, what springs go where, and all that. So that was cool. This thing is getting expensive, but guys, it don't stop there, guys. Check this out. You gotta go. So I said, all right. While I'm taking the tires off, and you know how I set them up under the truck and all. So I'm looking at the tires. I'm like, wait a minute, what the heck? So look at this. Look at the tire. So this sucks. So now I have to get a tire. All right. So now we went online, ordered a tire for it. Then I'm looking at this one, and I'm like, all right, that's got a little meat, but then I'm gonna have a new tire and a worn down tire like this. So we ordered 2 tires for the truck. Now those over there, let's see if we can go to the other side. The other side tires. And these over here. And these, as you can see, they got some thick meat on them. They're good. They're cool. So we ain't worried about that. But so when we get the new tires, you guys are gonna go down to. I'm pretty sure we're gonna go down to Colony Tire or something like that. They got a truck place down there that does this. But check this, guys. Then I went overboard, guys. I was like, you know what? You know what? I was like, you know what? I'm tired of painting these rims. These are some ugly. I want this truck. We're gonna guys. You're gonna go with me. I mean, you're gonna be with us when we I'm gonna repaint the front because the truck got into a fire. I repainted the front, but it's darker and than the body. I don't like it, so I'm gonna repaint that again as soon as it starts getting warm for the springtime. But as far as the wheels, I got tired of painting the wheels. So check this out, guys. You ready? You ready? Open up this door. Check this out. I got tired of painting. I painted them at silver one time for a while. Then I went to white, try to make it look better. Of course, they look good when you first paint them. So I was like, you know what? I'm tired of painting them. So check this out, guys. You ready? Here we go. Ooh, yeah, buddy. Stainless steel caps. These things are heavy duty. Man, yeah, buddy. Let's take this out of the plastic so you can see this a little better. All right, and I got the kit for this. These things fit right over the wheel. And let's see, where's it? Let's see here. Where can we bolt that at? Gotta make sure that thing is lined up for. Yeah, there we go. Right there. Right there. Let me look at this. Let me look at this. Ooh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh man. Wait a minute. What? Why that off? There we go. Look at that, guys. That's gonna set this truck off nice. And what happens is, I don't want to put my boot here too much, but what it is, they got bolts, special bolts that go right there and hold the cap on, and then one of these right here that pushes on top of it. So yeah, let me back up. This truck gonna be bad. All right, so we're gonna put this back in here, and here's the one for the back. So let's go over here. Check. I gotta clean this up. Look at this wheel, man. So this one is gonna set on the back of the truck like that. So that's gonna be up there. So you can imagine. Use your imagination. Yeah, use it. Use that imagination. That's gonna really look nice. So we're gonna set this up there. All right. The time now is about 12:45. So what we gotta do, they say come down about 3 o'clock. So when we come back, it's gonna be about 2:30, 2:45, and then you guys gonna take a ride with us down there. But that's what we had so far. Look at this mess, man. What's costly? But what are you supposed to do? Safety first. I always told you guys safety first. So, all right, be right back. All right, guys, girls, we're getting ready to go. We're gonna be taking number 22, our 2000 Mercury Cougar. For those of you who don't know about this car, we bought it for $700. We painted this ourselves. Forget that. I'm cheapskate. So we painted it ourselves and put the lettering on it. All right, it's raining out here, so let's take a ride and get out. The next time we see each other, we're gonna be out at Greens. We'll be right back. All right, guys, it's raining out here, but I'm gonna show you the front. Here we are at Greens. Here's the number. Greens Auto Salvage LLC. Guys, this place is great. We got the drum. Matter of fact, dang it. Yeah, that'll be good. Let's go back here. It's pouring raining out here. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Look up under there for there. Whoops. All right. There we go. There's a drum. And check this out, guys. Turn this over. Oops. Sylvia messed me. Turn this over. There's hardly any ridge on this drum. This thing is great. I should have got two. They had both of them out there. So I think she's gonna charge us $50 because she said $100 and they got off two. So I'll get both. I don't care. All right, guys. Let's huh?
Show them the sticker on the door.
Huh?
Show them the sticker. You still recording?
Yeah.
I want to show the sticker on the door.
What sticker?
I hope you guys can see that through the rain.
You see that? Here, I can bring it out here.
All right.
I see what you're talking about. Yeah, buddy. Check this out. Check the sticker out. Let's see. Dang it. There it is. They can see it. We dig it. All right, be right back.
All right, we hope you enjoyed the ride we took to Greens Auto Salvage in Fremont, North Carolina. And just a little info about them. They have 7 yards full of trucks, and we passed another one of their yards. I don't even know how they can find anything in there. It is so packed with trucks. But if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepair.com.
Hey, give them a call. If they got anything.
Yeah, if you guys need any parts, give them a call. Ew. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.